Hey guys, today we're making original slime, and the ingredients you'll be needing are some Elmer's white glue or clear, some water, and some borax solution, and food coloring, which is optional. And today I'm going to have two special guests that are going to be helping me come out. And this is
Kevin
and Mia. And they're going to be helping me to make the slime. And you'll also be needing something to mix in and something to mix with. So first you're going to put some glue, and my friend is going to pour it. Now, gonna put it to the side. Now my other friend is gonna put the water in, which is only gonna be a little bit. Pour two of these. Okay, that's two. Now you're gonna take your mixing tool and mix well. Until they have no bumps.
no bubbles.
And this is how it shows. This is how it looks, And let's add a little bit more glue. So I'm going to have Kevin put the water in. The glue. And that's enough. And yeah, so now keep mixing. So you can see it looks like this. And now you're gonna put the food coloring, and I'm gonna make teal. And Kevin is gonna put one of the blue, and Mia is gonna put one of the green. Yeah. So. And now we're gonna mix it right there.
I think we need a little bit more blue.
And it's working out better now. And you're gonna wait until you're just gonna mix until all the food coloring disappears and all the white is gone. And we're gonna take turns. Now Kevin is gonna mix. Now Mia. And now I'm gonna mix all of it right now. Now you're gonna add the borax solution, and I'm gonna be adding the borax solution since my two friends already added it a lot, and I'm just gonna be adding little by little. And now it's Kevin's turn. Okay, now it's Mia's turn to put it all around, like right on the sides. So now we have this wonderful slime. So you're gonna mix slowly so your slime comes out good. I'm sorry if this video takes so long. It's just my usual videos are only 3 minutes, but this time I'm taking more time because it takes a lot of time to mix. Because you're gonna be mixing slow, and now now I'm gonna be putting borax solutions in. Oops. Slime got in. And mix good. I'm sorry if I've been wasting my time all on this one. And this is how it looks. It's still really sticky. And now my friend Kevin is gonna touch it if he wants. And it's really sticky. So this might take a lot of borax. So everybody put the slime on this. Put their hands on top of this. And put the slime. Put every slime. I'm sorry if this video is taking so long. It's just this slime takes a lot of time to make. So this is how the other one looks. And we usually don't put food coloring in the other videos on making slime because I made jiggly slime, and then first I made fluffy slime, and then I made jiggly slime, and I didn't put food coloring in. So this time I bought some, and I just do food coloring. And I think my friends over there need some borax. sticky. I think Kevin needs a little help.
No, I don't.
You don't need borax? Okay, put it on. Put your hands on top of the.
It's sticky.
So now we're just gonna put it on top. Doing stuff. And I'm sorry. It's just my friends are taking the slime, so I have this thing.
Need a little help.
And now Mia needs a little help. And I already gave her the borax that she needs. And this video is gonna end in a while, so I hope you enjoy watching this. And if you want to try this out, make sure to have an adult watching if you're still small, because you might need an adult to help you. So, yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.